Alright, what's up guys? Man, the fucking sun is killing me. God. Here's where the Baja sits right now. I'm about to start wrenching on the motor. Motor's gonna come out. You know, there's gonna be things along the way that we're gonna find, like this right here. It was duct taped, and it's not even connected. So I'm gonna get a new, this hose. I'm gonna get new, that PCV or vacuum hose. This hose right here has some damage. I'm gonna get a new one. This, I mean, it's all taped up. I'm sure it's damaged under there. So I'm gonna go and get these hoses for the, I think these are for the PCV system. Get those new as well. There was, yeah, right here. There's a, it's split on the intake. I'm gonna get a new intake hose, and then once everything's off, we're gonna see what this looks like. It's kind of late in the day. I'm probably just gonna drain the antifreeze right now. Take out the battery, maybe take out the intake. The tires I picked them up today. Haven't put them on yet. So it's gonna have 2 new front tires. I measured these. These are brand new. They're 11/32, and the 2 other new ones I picked up, they're also 11/32. I measured those, and yeah, it's gonna be good. I'm excited to get this started. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so this is the next day. Yesterday before I lost light, I got the radiator out. Oh, radiator, battery, and intake I did. Radiator looks pretty good. It's really dirty down there. I'm going to clean it up, run the hose through it, maybe do like a little flush on it, put some soap or put some proper, you know, radiator flush. Lots of vacuum hoses were very brittle. So I'm going to be replacing, pretty much all of them. I'm here, I may as well do it. Because a lot of these hoses are really hard to get to. Like this one right here, I was trying to get it off and I broke it. I'm pretty much ready right now to pull the engine, but I'm probably going to do it next weekend. So it's prepped. It's prepped right now. And yeah, all I have to do is unbolt the... what is that thing called? The flex plate, and then undo the motor mounts, and it should be ready to come out. Everything is done. I think I'll probably drop the exhaust manifold before I pull the engine out, just to make it a little bit easier, so I don't have to jack it up so high. You know, it'll give me just a little bit of clearance on the bottom, I think, when I'm lifting over the radiator support. But it went pretty smoothly. No really big issues. Found a few bolts that were missing. 1 bolt for the power steering and 1 bolt for the AC compressor. I'm gonna get those, and once it's out, I'm gonna take it to get done. Let me show you some of the parts I have so far. Like I said earlier, it's the engine. The car runs really well, but you know, I'm not going to fault anybody for being scared of a 170,000 mile Subaru. So here I have a brand new short block I'm going to be putting in. Here's a brand new oil cooler, timing kit. The timing's been done on that car recently, but I'm there. I may as well do it right with Eisen parts. This is all made in Japan. Gasket kit right here. And then a bunch of... Oh, I've got to put this down. Alright. And then here's a bunch of parts that I have ready. New motor mounts, radiator hoses, belts. I think this is an air filter down here. Idler pulley, PCV, spark plugs. I'm going to put ARP studs on that, just for peace of mind. And in case the new owner wants to throw some boost at it, it'll be ready. This is a thermostat, and then these are Subaru 6-star head gaskets. So when I'm done, it's gonna be buttoned up. It's gonna be really well put together, and like I said, I'm building this car as if I'm gonna keep it, as if it's my car. And this is what I would use if I were building up a Baja. So yeah, next video I'll probably have the engine out, take it to the builder. It's a Subaru shop here in El Paso called Rigo Built. He's pretty much the Subaru specialist, and then we'll put it all back together. I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm looking forward to driving it again. Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna have the motor pulled this weekend. So right now I'm just doing little odds and ends stuff that I've found. Ordered a whole bunch of vacuum hoses, stuff like that. My intercooler was pretty messed up. So right now, I started doing it yesterday. I spent about, I don't know, hour and a half, 2 hours on it last night, and now I'm gonna finish it up today. I got about halfway done, but there's a bunch of damage on the intercooler, and I'm just going. So this is the side that hasn't been done yet. You can see there's, you know, a bunch of pushed in fins. So I think there was something on the intercooler there. I don't know how it got this line of damage. And then this is the side that I've, you know, fixed and straightened out. Some of it, you can see where this line was, the damage there, but I mean, I got like 95% of the damage out. So if you can see the difference, you know, from here to that, like, you know, it's just that's quite a bit. Let me see if I can put the light behind the intercooler. Yeah, well, anyway, that's what I'm working on right now. I'm just using a little pick, and I'm going in these holes and just straightening them out. Like, here, I'll see if I can do this one here for you. Let me turn the light on. Where was I? think I was about right here. So I just go in there like that, and then just do that about 1,000 times. But I mean, I think the results are pretty significant. I mean, there's a clear demarcation line right here where I stopped and where everything else is all bent up. So yeah, I'm just gonna work on that. Okay, I finished, and man, that sucked. If someone brought me this, I'd say buy a new one, unless you're gonna pay me a lot to do it, because man, that sucked. But it's pretty much refurbished. There was some damage in the back as well, but I straightened it all out, and that's gonna save me some money. My wife saw me doing it, was like, just buy a new one, but I'm already way over budget with this car, so this is gonna save quite a bit of money, but it sucked.